Hi everyone, this is Monica here, and today is one more learning video for me for using the medium of gouache. And I'm an acrylic artist, but I like to learn new mediums, and so I bought myself this packet of gouache, and I'm just trying to understand the medium well. And the best way to do that is simple sceneries. You really can't go wrong with it. So I'm using watercolor technique here to use the gouache. So I watered down watercolor paper, and then I put in some blues in the sky, light blue and sky blue. And then after that, I'm using browns and greens in the land, just dabbing in some colors and spreading it out. I put even a light mountain range at the back with light brown. Just make sure the sky is a little dry before you put that, so that it doesn't go and merge completely with the sky. um, in the land right now, I'm just tapping in some trees and some semblance of grass or meadows there. Everything at a distance, soft and not really detailed. Right now I'm putting in my details. So before that, I dried up my paper because I wanted the tree branches that I'm going to make right now not to blend with the background, so it's in front and it looks clean. I'm using a number 2 script liner, using some brown, and putting in my branches, leaving some gaps in between the branches, so that when I put in my colors for the tree, I have some spots which do not have the brown showing through. In acrylics, you really don't have to do this because acrylics are so opaque that you can actually go over the brown and it'll completely cover it. But gouache is not going to be as opaque, though it will be more opaque than watercolors. I'm using the Turner pack here, 24 color, and they have this amazing pink. This pink is called opera red, but it's just perfect for cherry blossoms. It comes out so vibrant. I am putting in some depth by adding darker colors of carmine. Now, when we're using this medium or watercolors, you usually go from light to dark, but in acrylics and oils, you can go the other way. You won't have any issues. But here, if you really want to have control, you need to go from light to dark. You're safer doing that. And that's it. I'm just putting in some specs and some details here and there, and just making sure I have some petals that stick out from the bunches, so that it gives some interest to the tree. Putting in some branches there, and that's it. I think it was a pretty successful attempt at the cherry blossom. It happened pretty fast. Like, I finished the whole video, whole painting in less than like 10 minutes, I think. So it's a great practice. I hope you all join me in trying out this little painting and share your work with me. And if you really like my work, please do consider subscribing to my channel. See you again. Bye bye.